Good day, and thank you for viewing the WiFiLogger 2.0 hotspot setup video. For the first step, we will set the WiFiLogger to hotspot mode. If you have not already done so, do the factory reset. A video can be seen at this link. The WiFiLogger will then look for the WFLDedault hotspot. Now we will set up the hotspot. I am using my smartphone, but you could use a PC also. Go into Settings, Connection Settings, and find Mobile Hotspot. Now we will configure the hotspot for the WiFiLogger default. Input the network name WFLDedault. The password is 12345678 and save this configuration. Once the hotspot is activated, if I scroll down, I will see that the WiFiLogger is connected to this default hotspot. Tap on the WiFiLogger and we see an IP address. We will use this in the next step. Now we go to a browser on a device that is connected to the same hotspot network as the WiFiLogger and type in the IP address we just got from the previous step. Hit enter and you will see the WiFiLogger. We are going into Setup and Wi-Fi Setup. You can see there the logger connected to the default network. I will now input the information for my home network. And tap on Save. Now restart the logger by clicking the white button and you will see the green light go solid. Now I will go to my network router app. You may need to access your internet router by going to its administration page. Often this is found by typing something like 192.168.2.1 into the address bar of a browser. Check your documentation for the process. I will turn off my hotspot now and confirm reconnected to home network. In my network app, I will find the WiFiLogger and make note of the IP address. This is the IP address of my home network that the logger is connected at. Now I go to a browser on a device connected to the same home network as the logger and type in the IP address just noted in the previous step. Now once we hit enter, we can see the logger is connected to our network and sending data. One thing you will have to remember now, once you have restarted the logger, it will no longer seek to connect to WFLDedault. You will need to redo the factory reset if you need to start the process over. Thank you and enjoy your new WiFiLogger 2.0.